मेरा प्रोडक्ट सबसे बढ़िया है, but they don't tell the world, and then they expect our business, someone else has taken the business. Everyone has 24 hours. Elon Musk has 24 hours, Warren Buffett has 24 hours, Ambani has 24 hours, we have 24 hours. The difference is, what do we believe?
People are recognizing me. Hey Rahul, I see you in this event. I see you in that event. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest on our YouTube channel, Event Travelog, Floyd. So hello sir, welcome to our YouTube channel. मैं आपको काफी टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्डइन, एंड आई आल्सो वॉच योर पॉडकास्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आप कैसे हो सर?
Excellent. Love the weather in Delhi. No rain.
Little bit about what you do behind and right now.
Okay, so I was a digital market engineer, turned digital marketer, turned brand head, turned brand consultant, turned brand coach. And in this whole process, we've worked with over 100 of some of the big countries' biggest businesses, and I would say the fastest growing businesses, because many of them have added a zero to their business in 3 years of working with us. We work with brands, we don't work with branding. The difference is, we help people get known and create personal value versus creating just a logo or a color.
Okay.
So the difference is, we are not a branding company. People call us branding, but we are brand coaches, which is, brand is a feeling. When you work with someone, when you work with a business, kya feeling aate hai, right? And you want to work with someone that you feel good with, right? People who have the energy. So we are on creating something called as a leap movement. The leap movement is creating a leap entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who loves what he does. He or she does. E stands for energetic, high energy, always. Business is about energy, right? A is action, right? You might have all the energy, but don't take action every day. Action taker. P stands for produces the best version of himself or herself and shares that with the world. Because क्या होता है, a lot of businesses in India, especially the SMEs, they produce great work, great products. मेरा product सबसे बढ़िया है, but they don't tell the world, and then they expect our business, someone else has taken the business. So we are on the mission to create the leap entrepreneur. Also, many times people create businesses because they think there's a lot of money in it. They invest money, they have a very profitable business, they make a lot of money, then they want to launch a factory. क्या होता है बाद में? That money, business sucks all the money because they don't understand, they don't like doing that work. And so first step of the downfall of an entrepreneur.
Yeah. So basically, you cracked the code, Leap Entrepreneur. It is amazing and good strategy how to run a business or in any area. I also noticed that you are running your podcast. So from last turn brand consultant, you adding the value. अभी मैंने आपका एक statement सुना था, getting the smile on the customer's face. So how that thought come to your mind?
See, as a marketer, there were always a lot of metrics. Measure customer happiness, customer success, customer satisfaction. वो सब metrics है ना. Like a small business doesn't have the money to go and invest in a big survey, check data, analytics, customer feedback. नहीं होता है. The only way you can measure, a small business can measure, is by smile.
Smile.
When a customer smiles, it is the single most important metric whether he is happy or no. Right?
So customers के face पर smile लेके आना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है.
That's the only job. Not only customer. When you meet your team member, after they meet you, are they smiling and going, or are they going at a low energy? When you meet a vendor, are you taking them to a higher level, making them smile and go? Because experience, business is about relationship.
Relationship, correct.
Okay. And when you need to grow a business, you need to grow a team. When you need to grow a team, you need to grow vendors, you need to grow everything. So all of them need to smile. When you smile, the world needs to smile with you. Otherwise, if you are smiling and they are not smiling, there's something wrong.
So, जिन लोगों के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं, जो हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, वो हमसे हैप्पी हैं, हम उनसे हैप्पी हैं, और जिन लोगों को हम सर्विस दे रहे हैं, वो भी हमसे हैप्पी है. तो if everybody has the smile, the business is running good. That's the main.
And you sleep for 7 hours without any problem. Right?
That's the good. आपके पास काफी सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, कंपनीज, ब्रांड्स आते होंगे टू रन दियर ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी, और उनके अलग अलग चैलेंजेस भी होते होंगे, किसी का फाइनेंशियली. तो कोई ऐसे चैलेंजेस जिसको आपको ट्रैक करने में ज्यादा, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम जिसमें ज्यादा मुश्किल आती हो?
बिगेस्ट चैलेंज आई हैव इज belief, self-belief. ओनर का self-belief.
लोगों का mindset.
So the first thing was the mind. Many business people, I can only do this. I need to be there in my business. I cannot give this work to someone, और वो खराब करेंगे. वो नहीं कर सकते ये काम. ये सब mindset beliefs है ना, limiting beliefs. It's the biggest to crack. Once you crack that, अगर आप, if you believe you will make 10 lakhs, you will only make 10 lakhs. you will only make as much as you think you're worth.
Great.
So the first step to any entrepreneur, everyone has 24 hours. Elon Musk has 24 hours, Warren Buffett has 24 hours, Ambani has 24 hours, we have 24 hours. The difference is what do we believe that we will do. That's why it's about three things. 100% clarity of what you are doing and what you want to do, as you said.
Okay.
That's what makes me money. 100% belief. Okay. And 100% action to achieve what you have to do.
Great. It's a great, another framework for the audience.
You can't have 100% clarity and then be scared, right? Oh, I don't believe it will work. I think it will work. Don't think.
Yeah.
Belief होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember, मुझे आपकी बातों से ना अपना past experience याद आता है. When we started this YouTube channel, Eventra Vlog, basically एक नई niche है. Nobody is working in this area. बहुत कम creators हैं. एंड वन बिलीफ आई हैड कि मैं इवेंट्स में जाऊंगा, ट्रेवल्स करूंगा, लोगों से बात करेंगे, नेटवर्किंग करेंगे. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, नेटवर्किंग कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑडियंस इज वॉचिंग, लिसनिंग देयर. तो जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, जो आपकी नॉलेज है, वो उनके साथ शेयर किया जा रहा है, उसको हम लेके आएंगे. बिकॉज वो एक बिलीव के साथ हमने एक ये अपनी जर्नी शुरू करी थी कि लोग और इसको ज्यादा पसंद करें. एंड नाउ आज के डेट में पीपल आर रिकॉग्नाइजिंग मी. हे राहुल, आई सी यू इन दिस इवेंट, आई सी यू इन दैट इवेंट. एंड मेनी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स इनवाइट अस कि राहुल कम to our event or do a vlog videos. That's a great place. और वो belief के साथ ही है.
Belief के साथ. अगर belief था, action नहीं था, if you were not here today, believe हमें biggest event होता, action नहीं था, still you would be at ground level. So 300% होना, 100% clarity, 100% belief, 100% action. Okay, so every business needs a 300% confidence, clarity and belief and action.
Great sir, great, amazing. And the last question, एक बार हमारी audience को please share कि subscribe and like this video, Eventra Vlog YouTube channel.
Please subscribe and like, because what I'm hearing today, the questions that you have asked me are all so important. Remember, it's always about the right question. He asked some amazing questions in the summit. So follow and hit the bell button, because you need to know that every time you need to take action. He puts a video, watch that, take action and be the best version of yourself. That's it.
So guys, please subscribe YouTube channel. और अगर आप वीडियो अच्छी लगे, लाइक करके कमेंट जरूर करें कि कौन सा फ्रेमवर्क आपको अच्छा लगा, लीप एंटरप्रेन्योर का या हमारा क्लैरिटी, एक्शन एंड बिलीफ. So you can share, give your feedback on the comment section. Thank you, Floyd.
If you want also any of these feedbacks, any of these framework, just message me framework, your channel name on my how to page with Floyd, how to with Floyd on Instagram. I will send you as a gift for free.
Oh,
Right?
wow.
Okay.
That's the wonderful.
Smile framework, message 300% rule framework, and I will send you a detailed explanation of how to execute that in a business. That's my gift to all the entrepreneurs.
Great. So you can share the put in the comment box, and it's an amazing pleasure, Floyd sir. Best place, Floyd. So मैं स्पेशली आपसे मिलने आया था. आज का हमारा इवेंट सफल हुआ. बेसिकली आई कैन से दैट इट्स अमेजिंग. और आपसे और भी ज्यादा हम बात करेंगे, कन्वर्सेशन करेंगे बिजनेस के रिगार्डिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएशन के रिगार्डिंग.
Long way to go. It just wish you all the best.
Yeah, thank you. All right guys, thank you so much.